Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I am going to be showing you how to stitch your hook and eye to your skirt, and here is the eye and the hook. Now we're going to start by stitching the hook first, and we're going to stitch the eye later. Now the hook is going to be on the part that overlaps the zipper, which is this part, and the eye is going to be on this other side. Now I have gone and threaded my needle. As you can see, I double threaded it. Now I'll place my hook on my band, and I would make sure that it sits on the center of the band. And now I am going to start making my stitches. I'm going to go right into my fabric and into the hole of the hook. Now I am stitching in such a way that the stitches are not going to be showing on the good side of my fabric. About 2 to 3 stitches will do the job. Now watch what I am going to do. I'm going to pull my needle from this point and make sure that it goes right in between my fabric. Now pull it out from this other end. Now what you're going to do next is insert your needle right into the hole of your hook and pull your thread out. Now once you've done this, we're going to start laying our stitches, and this is how I am laying my stitches. I will insert my needle right in between the fabric and right into the hole of the hook and pull out, and insert my needle again right in between the fabric and into the hole and pull out. And like I said, just 2 to 3 stitches will do. Now once you've done laying your stitch, we're also going to put the needle right in between the fabric, just like we did before, and pull it out on this other end. Now insert your thread into the hole of your hook so that you can start making your stitches. Same thing we did the other time. Now we're going to knot the stitch. You can either knot it once or knot it twice. Now once you're done, what you're going to do is insert your needle right in between your fabric, just anywhere, and just pull out the thread. Now we're going to cut this thread out. By doing this, it hides the ends of your thread for you, okay? And as you can see, this is how to lay your hook on your fabric, and there are no stitches on the good side of my fabric, and it is very strong. To fix the eye on the band, place your hook like this. This way you would know where your eye would sit. Now place your eye right in the middle of your band. Now once you've gotten that, we're going to start making our stitches. Now the thread of this one has to show on the inside of your fabric, because this one won't be showing for other people to see. You are the only person that would see it. Now what I am doing is I am just basically just going into the hole of the eye and into my fabric, as you can see. Now about 2 to 3 stitches would also do the job on this one. Now once I have gotten the stitches I want, we're going to do same thing we have been doing. Just pass your needle right in between the fabric. Now take it out on the good side. Now we're going to put our needle right into the hole of the eye. Take it out and right into the fabric. and into the eye. And this is how we're just going to keep going and stitching it down just to hold the eye to the band. Now once you're done, you're going to make your knots on the inside of your fabric. Now put your needle in between your fabric like this and pull it out just to hide the ends of your thread. Can you see that? Very beautiful and neat. And now we are done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I will be seeing you in another tutorial. Bye.